welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally made my bath bomb video. I know I've been telling you guys I was going to make this for a long time, but I want to make sure that the weather conditions were appropriate and not going to mess up my bath bombs. I made blue peppermint bath bombs. They remind me so much of like Winter Fresh gum. Brings me back to high school. I'd always have a pocket full of Winter Fresh gum. These things smell so good. These are so moisturizing. I kind of did a little tester at the end of the video, so you guys want to watch how it bubbles, you can go ahead and watch that. They bubble really well. So I just wanted to show you guys how I made these bath bombs, and I love you guys so much, and I'm going to give a couple of these away to one of you guys. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below, you know, so you guys can win it. No big deal. If you guys want to see how I made these bath bombs, then go ahead and keep watching this video. Hey, what's up you guys? Let's get started on this video. I'm so excited to get these bath bombs done. Alright, first things first, you want to glove up just to keep the stains off your hands. It is totally not necessary because these are all safe, obviously, for your skin. So you're going to want to start with your dry ingredients. Go ahead and put those all in a sifter. It doesn't even matter what order you put it in, just get it all in there and sift it through. Make sure it's nice and fine. You don't want any lumps or clumps because that can make your bath bombs turn out looking ugly with these things called warts. Doesn't really matter, but it's just for aesthetics. So after you do that, you want to get your wet ingredients together. I melted some coconut oil, and then I got some peppermint essential oil. You can use whatever you want. You can even use just fragrance oil, it doesn't matter. And I start off with 2 teaspoons of water, and then for food coloring, it's totally optional. You guys can add this or not. I wanted to make them blue, and since I know for a fact that this doesn't stain, I go for it. And when you add this to your dry ingredients, you want to just add about 2 teaspoons at a time because it will start to activate. And so you want to mix it really well and make sure that it doesn't activate too much because you don't want that to happen, because you want that to happen in your bathtub. So I like to mix it super well, make sure that it's totally combined. You know you're done when you can squeeze it together really tight and it keeps its shape. So that's pretty much done. It could be a tiny bit too dry, but it's working for me right now. So you want to fill both sides and you want to pack it in very tightly. And when you get to the other side, you want to pack it in really tightly as well, but you kind of want to overfill it. You can even overfill both sides because when you squeeze it together, it's going to shoot out the sides, and you want as much of that mixture packed in to that mold as possible because you want it to be super dense and hard. This will help it keep together and it'll help keep from cracking. And so when you're done, you think it's nice and tight, you go ahead and tap it and then it should come right off. And there is your first bath bomb all done. It is so beautiful. Okay, gently place that. I like to keep it in half of one of those little molds, but if you only have one mold, you can totally take it off and put it in there. It's totally fine. So for decorating them, you can put your decoration in the bottom and then just fill it up on top of that. Same method, you're just kind of gonna put it in there first before you start putting the bath bomb mixture. And for these, I like to store them to dry upside down, just like that. It helps keep the top on better, you know, your decoration. See, and that one I didn't have a little piece. I just put it in there just like that. If you do that, it might have a little flat spot on it, but it's no big deal. That's why I like to keep them round and keep them inside the half of the mold to let them dry. My mixture got a little bit dry, so I added just about a teaspoon of water and mixed it really well. Again, one more time. If that happens to you, you can always add a little bit of water. It is impossible to go back if you put too much water in the beginning. So you want to get as much from this mixture as possible. I got 5 from the size of my bath bomb mold, but you guys can get more or less depending on what you use. And here's a little fizz test for what I have left. Now it will definitely fizz a lot better in your bathtub being a whole entire bath bomb that's bobbing around. But I love it. Such a beautiful color, all those oils floating around, and it does not stain your hands. Thumbs up. Okay, next day, they're all done and nice and hard. You want to remove it, and look how pretty that turned out. So cute. I love it. And those sprinkles are staying pretty well. All right, and this is how I package it. All I do is I take these little, I think they're polyurethane bags. They're small. I got them on eBay. You can get them on eBay, Amazon, or anything like that. I'll link everything I can down below. And so what you can do is just pop them in these bags and then throw some ribbon around it tight and you're done. But I kind of like it to be a little more sturdy, you know, especially if I'm going to ship them or give them to somebody as a gift. I like to kind of melt the plastic around it. So what you do is you just put it in the plastic and you give it a little twist so it's nice and tight and you hold it there like that. If you don't have a heat gun, that's okay. Just get a blow dryer like I have. Put that baby on high and blast it. It works. See? You just kind of tap in the corners and then heat it up. It melts right to it and it keeps your bath bomb super compact and it's great for shipping. So if you ever wanted to like make some bath bombs on a side job, you know what I mean? But yeah, look at that, so cute, love it. And then you just put a little ribbon around it if you want to be all fancy schmancy. And I have to like fast forward because these nails are just killing me right now, you guys. I'm sorry if they're like so freaking long for you. But anyways, if you want to make them a little personalized, you can, you know, get a piece of paper, fold it in half a few times, fold it 4 times, however many times you want, pop a little hole in it, and tie it with a little ribbon. How cute. Even if you have little place cards or little stickers or anything like that, that would work just as well. And then you can write what it is, little X's and O's. And then you can also write the ingredients on the back if you're going to ship them out to somebody, just to make sure that you cover your ass and everything. And then you have all your bath bombs. And it's so fun. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to win a couple of these bath bombs, then leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel and thumbs it up and I'll pick one of you guys. Just let me know because I'm going to send you a couple and I'll bubble wrap them for you because I love you. Mwah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. God, these smell so good. I can't get enough.